Welcome to my channel, shavers and shavettes. I hope you're all well. First and foremost, thank you for choosing to spend some of your time watching my video here today. I really do appreciate it. And this is the first of the Touch-Up Pass series. Now you may be asking, what is the Touch-Up Pass series? Well, it's a thing that I just invented about 20 minutes ago. What I would like to do with the Touch-Up Pass is, as you can tell, very short video. It will have a full shave beginning to end, some of it a little sped up, a lot of it edited out. Not the point of the video to focus on the shave. These I will do when I just have something to say. Nothing that needs to fill an entire shave video, but something to throw out there. And for this first one, you may have noticed that there's a bit of a theme going with the gear for today's shave. The brush is a silver tip RazoRock 24 barrel. Extremely nice brush. For the razor today, the RazoRock Wonderbar slant razor with the stainless steel bamboo style handle. And then the soap, and that's what I'd like to talk about. The soap goes way back. I think it was 2013. RazoRock made a Quotey Fingers hard soap. Not a hard soap like a triple milled like their current What the Puck offerings, but it's a firm soap. Softer than a triple milled, but definitely harder than like an artisan soft soap that we're used to when we say soft soap. Man, these were incredible soaps. I would love to see these come back. I luckily have a couple that I put away that I still have access to. I think it only came in 3 cents. The one I'm using today is the essence of lime, or something of lime, essential oil of lime maybe. But they also did lavender, and I think Don Marco, kind of the orange creamsicle one. And I'm really upset that I didn't buy a puck of that when it was available. That's one of my favorite scents that they do. I think those were just the 3. They were not available long. I don't know if it was just intended to be a real quick thing. Maybe it cost a lot to produce. I think it sold well. Everybody that I remember at the time that bought one was very impressed with the performance. But I don't know, RazoRock Italian Barber, if you are watching, I would love to see that soap make a comeback. If anybody's got connections with anyone there at Italian Barber, let them know. Maybe we could start something to get another run of these firm soaps. I don't know. They must have sold awfully quick because they were on the site and gone in a hurry. But that's it. That's all I have to say. If you have used the RazoRock hard soaps in the past, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Maybe it's something that we can put a little pressure to get an opportunity to buy them again. Probably not, but you never know. You could try. That's all I have for you today. Once again, thank you so much for checking out the video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.